Hello everyone, today we are going to see class 10 chapter 4 quadratic equations exercise 4.1. So check whether the following are quadratic equations. So they have given you a set of equations and they are asking us whether these are quadratic or not. Okay, so before going to that, we'll first simplify this. So first we will simplify this equation and then we will check whether it is a quadratic or not. Okay. So first one, I can solve this x plus 1 the whole square through a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So using this formula I can solve this. So I can write x square plus 1 plus 2x. Okay, now I'm going to multiply this inside. So 2x minus 6. Now what happens? This 2x and this 2x get cancelled. Okay, because if I shift this 2x to LHS side, obviously it will become 2x minus 2x, which is 0. So instead of all this shifting, I have cancelled like this. Plus 2x and plus 2x get cancelled out. Now I'm going to shift this 6 to this side. So it becomes x square plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. So x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So it is nothing but x square plus 0x plus 7 is equal to 0, because we don't have here x term. Okay, only one x square term and one constant is there. So I have written here 0x, or it is not necessary also. So now this resembles a general format of quadratic equation. So our general format for quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, here a is equal to 1 and then b is equal to 0 and c is 7. Okay, so it is a quadratic equation because we have x square term and there is no x term here, but that's not a problem, and there is constant. Okay, whenever you see the degree 2 itself, you can say that it is a quadratic equation. Okay, so degree 2 must be there for a quadratic equation and it must be in this format. So these both conditions you have to remember. Okay, so a is 1, b is 0 and c is 7. So I can write it is a quadratic equation. Okay, so it is a quadratic equation. Now moving on to next sum, I'll copy the question. So x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2, 3 minus x. Okay, so now first I will I'll write this, I'll simplify. So multiply this minus 2 inside. So I will get minus 6 and then plus 2x. Okay, so here minus 2x and plus 2x will not get cancelled out, because if I shift this here, it becomes minus 2x, right? So I can write x square minus 2x minus 2x, and I can also shift this minus 6 here, so it becomes plus 6 is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. So it resembles our general format. What is our general format? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here don't consider the signs and all, it can be anything. Okay, and in linear equation in two variables, we saw that a must not be equal to 0 and b must not be equal to 0, but here there is not such conditions and all. Okay, here, so here the degree must be 2 and it should resemble this equation. Clear? So I can write a is equal to 1 and b is minus 4 and c is 6. So it is a quadratic equation. Clear? So now moving on to third sum. X minus 2 x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Okay, so first now I will multiply all the brackets here. So x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to, this side you have to multiply. So x square plus 3x, and here also it's minus x minus 3. Okay, here now x square and x square gets cancelled. So here itself our x square term gets cancelled out. So there is no degree 2, so it cannot be a quadratic equation. But you can simplify this. Okay, we can simplify and write in a neat manner. So I can solve this. So I'll be getting here minus x minus 2, and here 2x minus 3. So minus x minus 2x minus 3 plus 2. So minus 3x, and then here minus 1. So it is nothing but minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So there is no, I can write highest power, or degree is not 2 also, is not 2. Okay, you have to give the reason also. So here itself our x squared term got cancelled out, but we have just simplified it. Okay, so highest power is not 2. So I can write it is not a quadratic equation. Clear? So now moving on to fourth sum. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus x plus 5. Okay, so now I will multiply this inside. So I get 2x cube plus x minus 6x minus 3, and then x square plus 5x. Okay, so 2x cube, and then simplify this. So you'll be getting minus 5x minus 3, and then x square plus 5x. So next I can shift this all to this side. So I get 2x square minus x square minus 5x minus 5x minus 3 here is equal to 0. Yes, so here it is 2, it's not cube. Okay, so 2x square. Now if I simplify this, I'll be getting x square minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. So our general format is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it resembles. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10, and c is equal to minus 3. So it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Clear? Now fifth one. 2x minus 1 x plus 5 into x minus 1. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply this inside. So 2x square minus 6x minus x, and then plus 3, and then here multiply. So x into x is x square minus x, and then here plus 5x and minus 5. Okay, So 2x square, simplify this, so minus 7x plus 3, and then x square, simplify this, so we'll be getting plus 4x minus 5. So shift all the terms to LHS, so 2x square minus x square minus 7x minus 4x plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. So if I simplify, I'll get x square minus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0. So it also resembles our general format, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is 1 and then b is 11 minus 11 and c is 8. So it is a quadratic equation. Okay. So now moving on to sixth subdivision. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. So here we will use one formula, which is a minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab for this. Okay. So this is our a and this is our b now. Okay. So now we'll solve this. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square. So here plus minus 2 the whole square minus 2 into a is x and then b is minus 2. Okay, just substitute in this formula. So I'll be getting x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 4 plus 4x. Okay, now shift before that. So here itself our x square term gets cancelled, so it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, because the degree, the highest power is not 2, but we'll simplify this. So if I simplify, I'll be getting 3x minus 4x plus 1 minus 4. I have shifted everything to LHS. I'll be getting so here so 7x and then here minus 3 is equal to 0. So here the highest power is not 2. Highest power is not 2. So it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Okay. So now moving on to seventh sum. X plus 2 the whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Okay, so here we will use one formula, which is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, so we will use this formula here now. So just substitute here. So this is our a and this is our b now. Okay, so x cube plus 2 the whole cube plus 3 into x into 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Okay, so now x cube 2 into 2 into 2 is plus 8 and here plus 6x. So I have just multiplied this. 3 into 2 is 6 and then x plus 2 into x here. So this 3x into 2 I have multiplied and written here. So this as it is here. So 2x or you can multiply this inside. So I'll be getting 2x cube minus 2x. Okay, so x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. So shift this here. So x cube minus 2x cube plus 8 and then plus 6x square plus 12x plus 2x is equal to 0. So I'll be getting x cube minus 2, or I can write here, if I simplify, minus x cube and then plus 6x square plus 12x plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. So minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so here the highest power is 3. So highest power 3 is a cubical equation, so it is not a quadratic equation. So it is not a quadratic equation because the degree must be 2 for a quadratic equation, but here the degree is 3. Okay, so now last subdivision. So it is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole cube. Okay, so here we will use one formula, same, but a minus b the whole cube, which is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So all the signs are minus here. Okay, so just substitute in that equation. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube. So here 2 cube is nothing but 8. So minus 8 minus 3 x into 2 into x minus 2. Okay, so substitute here. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. So x cube minus 8 and then minus 6x into x minus 2. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, x cube minus 8 minus 6x square plus 12x. Okay, so now shift here. Before that, this x cube and this x cube gets cancelled out. Okay, so we'll be having minus 4x square plus 6x square minus x minus 12x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 0. So if I simplify this, I'll be getting 2x square here, right? So 2x square, and this one is minus 13x, and here plus 9 is equal to 0. So it resembles our general format, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is 2, b is minus 13 and c is 9, and also our highest power is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. So the basic thing to know, a quadratic equation has highest power 2, and this is the general format which you have to remember. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.